Okay, we're not hanging about today. I'm not going to keep you long. Pasta salad with Parmesan cheese and avocado. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. All right, here we go. Look, I've got 3 cups of pasta in there. You can use any pasta that you want. I'm using this rigatoni. I've got a cup of bell peppers, a couple of colours in there, a cup of cucumber. I've got 2 decent sized avocados there. So let's say two cups of avo. A little bit of chopped fresh parsley or another fresh herb that you like. We're going to go with some salt. We're going to go black pepper. Now I'm using vinegar today. Sorry, I'm using lemon juice today, but you could be using vinegar. So I've got about 2 tablespoons of vinegar and about 3 tablespoons olive oil. And then some Parmesan. I've got some Parmesan cheese. These are nice kind of shards or shavings. In that goes. Little mix, job done, beautiful. Okay, told you I'm not going to keep you long today. That is delicious, really, really nice and easy. Keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.